If you want to set screen timeout for each application on a Samsung A36 5G, then you can do this. But first of all, you will have to start by opening Galaxy Store. Then you'll have to go into apps and you have to search for Good Lock application. You have to get this application from your Galaxy Store. Next, you can just simply open it. There we go. And right now you will have to go into plugins and you will have to simply download the Display Assistant plugin. So we can find it at the bottom of the list. Once you actually get it, you will have to open it. And here select Apps Screen Timeout. So as you can see now, you can choose a different screen timeout for each application. Start by clicking on the plus in the right upper corner and now select all apps that you want to adjust. So let's say that I want to get the screen timeout on the Netflix, for example, for like, I don't know, 5 minutes. There we go. And I can click done. And if I want to change it, if I want to add some other apps, I have to click here one more time. Let's say that for the Google Chrome, I want to only get screen timeout for around 30 seconds. So I have to click done. And that's how I can do this one by one.